This video is going to show how to create accurate buffer and inverter spice models in OrCAD PSpice. Open the provided design in OrCAD PSpice 23.1. Select Place, PSpice Part, Modeling Application from the menu. In the Modeling application, expand Digital Gates. Select Buffer Inverter. In the resulting options window, set the propagation delay to 6 nanoseconds, the threshold to 2.4 volts, the hysteresis width to 2, the output resistance to 1 milliohm, and the input resistance to 10 gigohms. Click Place. Click to place the inverter buffer assembly in the schematic. This symbol has a non-inverting and inverting output to simulate a buffer and inverter circuit block. Select Place, Wire from the menu, the Wire button from the toolbar, or press W on the keyboard. Click to connect the buffer input to the RC filter output, the non-inverting output to the net stim out, and the inverting output to the net/stim out. Press Escape on the keyboard when finished. Select PSpice, Run from the menu. View the results. The RC filter and hysteresis delay the output slightly. Back in the schematic, double-click the value for C1 to change it. Enter 22 picofarads and click OK. Select PSpice, Run from the menu to rerun the simulation. View the results. The delay is improved and the output matches the input closely. Double-click V/stim out in the legend to change the trace formula. Enter V/stim out in the trace expression field to change to the inverted output. Click OK. View the results. The output is inverted. Quickly create the required buffer and inverter spice models and simulate accurate digital circuit behavior with the PSpice modeling application in OrCAD PSpice.